Hi, I'm Peter from Project Heaven Restoration, and today I'm going to talk to you about this freshly restored DB4 that we've just finished, and we're going to take it for a thorough test drive and see how she behaves. Okay, so we've just finished the restoration of this beautiful 1963 Series 3 DB4. We have fully restored the entire thing. Every single nut and bolt has been done. We've even made the aluminium wire wheels in-house by our sister company, Torino Wire Wheels. The interior trim has been completely retrimmed in blue leather. It looks gorgeous. New seats, everything, carpets, the whole lot throughout has been done. The engine has been completely stripped and rebuilt, and I'll talk to you about that in a second. Chrome work's been done, new wiring loom, all new suspension. It's got a Harvey Bailey handling kit on it, which is an anti-roll bar and some different shock absorbers at the rear. And it's absolutely fantastic. I've already test driven it once already and it was really good. We ironed out a few snags, and later on in the video, we're going to take it for another test drive. Hopefully it's final test drive, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so first of all, I'll just show you the interior. Okay, so looking inside the interior, as you can see, everything is new. All the rubber, parts of the floor mats are new. The floor mats themselves are all brand new carpet. They've all been edge bound in blue to match the seats, which have all been completely reupholstered, new foam, new springs. The rear seat's been completely remade. All of the interior trim's lovely and tight, and the stitching's all in line. It's absolutely gorgeous. The roof lining, again, that's all completely brand new. Everything's been polished. All of the chrome bezels have been re-chromed, and the clocks and gauges have all been rebuilt, and everything is absolutely just as it should be. It's also had some extra additions though. It's got air conditioning kit fitted to it, and it's also got electronic power steering to make the steering a bit lighter. So, next thing to look at is probably the engine. Okay, so in here we've got the power plant, which is a freshly rebuilt 4.2. It's actually originally a 4 litre, but we've taken it out to a 4.2 by fitting larger liners. We did all of that machine work ourselves as well. The crank and the whole rotating assembly has been balanced in-house. We've rebuilt the carburetors, the ignition system. It's got a brand new exhaust system on throughout. And then we, of course, also bedded the whole thing in on our rolling road, and it made good power. Also under the hood, we've got a larger alloy aftermarket radiator to ensure good cooling. In front of that is a condenser for the AC system, and in front of that is an electric fan, which is electronically controlled. On the front left of the engine there, you can see we've added the AC pump. And below that, there's an upgraded alternator, high output. We needed the extra current because, of course, we've now got electronic power steering, and that uses quite a lot of juice. Other modifications, some of the ducting is slightly different to accommodate the AC, but largely it's trying to look original under here. We've also gone from the twin SUs to the triple SUs as well. There's another power upgrade. So around the back here you can see all new freshly done chrome. The new exhaust system, you can see the back there. And in the boot, that's all been nicely retrimmed and carpeted as well. So I think it's time we took it for a test drive. Listen to the sound of that, it's gorgeous. Okay, so we're just heading off out from the workshop now, and I'm taking the DB4 for one of its test drives. We've done a few test drives already and just ironing out a few snags. So I'm just taking it out for a little spin, make sure that everything is now resolved, and the customer's coming up later today to come and test drive the car himself as well. So she's going through the gears nicely, pulls nice and clean, and it's not even warm yet, she's still on choke, so need a few minutes to warm it up. But we've done every aspect of this car. It's a beautiful restoration. All of the whole interior's been retrimmed, brand new leather interior, had a brand new wiring loom, extensive metal work, all the suspension is new, and I can feel, you know, it just feels like a brand new car. It's fantastic, it's absolutely amazing. So I'm looking forward to getting it up on a bit of a faster road here, and we can put it through its paces a little bit. We of course have rebuilt the engine, done a lot of the machining on the engine ourselves as well. It's the 4 litre, but it's been taken out to a 4.2. It's quite a common conversion. It's also got triple carburetors, not the twins, so triple SUs on there. Of course, everything's brand new, everything's refurbished. Okay, we're just about to leave the village now, and she's up to temperature, so I should be able to drive it a bit harder. Engine sounds fantastic. Pulls really clean and smooth. Hopefully you can hear that. Handling's great. Brakes are pulling sharp and straight. Feels fantastic. It's a real privilege to get to test drive a car like this. We've done a good job of setting all the suspension up correctly. I don't think any further work needs to be done there. There's no awkward noises or rattles or knocks. Everything is really quiet, really smooth. The handle's just great. Test the overdrive. Yep, it's kicked in. Okay, so that was a great test drive there. Everything's working as it should be, no strange noises or smells or sounds. Engine feels great, really quiet, smooth, temperature's good, oil pressure's good. Handling's fantastic. You point it and it goes where you want to go. Brakes are great, so yeah, successful test drive. Now the next thing is just to keep driving it, make sure nothing starts to develop and that everything's absolutely 100%, and then we can deliver it to the customer.